picked up now by Ty Lawson, who goes the other way, faces the defensive jack, and here is Iguodala. The former 76er, who takes it again with another great-looking right-handed sledgehammer.
Iguodala 5 of 5, 12 points in game 1. He only took 4 shots, 2 of 8 points. Already a nice start.